Okay, hey guys, Advanced Simplex 05 here. It's been a while since I made a system test video, so I'm gonna throw one here now. The IO64 is back to battery troubles again, and sorry about the noise. That's the heater for the shed here. I'll show you. It gets cold in here during the winter. You can even see my breath. Anyways, here's the IO64 with only battery troubles. A lot has actually changed since the video of this unit. For instance, the pole station doesn't have the curve anymore on that conduit, and that electrical box that used to be in between here is gone there, but it has been moved up to here, which is kept here, and the wires just go there. Here's the Genesis L series here. I made this conduit loop right here, go into it. I did some work on this last night, so this is what I changed all. And remember how the Genesis used to be way up there? Well, now it's here, just for easy convenience. Want to see the IO64 here. I do have some that copper wire here for fire alarms, except not much of it. I even have one right here, but and this is the fire alarm monitor. Anyways, yeah. And I have the pull station there. That wire is the pull station. What happened was I converted the pull station from conventional to addressable because it's really just simply a switch in this unit. I ripped one off an SPO. I'll show you which one. I was making a mini fire alarm panel here, mini system, and that's the SPO I used it for my conventional fire shield here. So yeah, that's the story behind this pole station. I put the module onto here. I can show you that. As you can see, those little black hooks there, that's the module mount there. And I also took the resistor with it. It's easily put back on when needed. So yeah, I'll show you the devices around the shed and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm near the heater right here, and I have a SPO, addressable SPO here, and the black wire just follows up and into that junction box. So yeah, that's for this one here. Okay, I remember. Okay, so this pole station here used to be over there by the desk. It used to be over here where I pull it, but I removed that because it was just inconvenient. So with this pole station up above, I have an EST Genesis. I eventually ran out of stuff to cover the wires with. I had like automotive conduit right here, but not enough. And then over here, I have an official conduit right here coming out, bending over, and then being plain wire going to the detector here. So yeah, next device. Okay, so you remember this pole station here by the garage door, and there was nothing above it. Well, that has also changed, and there is an EST Genesis above it. The older series though, with the xenon strobes, and that wire just follows back here with this large piece of conduit, and it switches over to my thing here, and that piece just follows, and the wires just go there, and it just goes to here, which is closed up, as you can see finally. And then it goes to this detector. There's nothing over there, the old spot there. There's just that piece of board I put. Yeah, anyways, we'll get started. Okay, so panel is set to Genesis sync with code 3 and audible silence. So I'm going to get my key here and we'll do a key the switch in the pole station. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the system is silenced. Go ahead and just flip the switch back on this pole station. And that is my conventional pole station that I converted. Anyways, we'll go ahead and go to the next device. Actually, I'll leave my panel open and get my key. Get my key and get the screwdriver for the SPOs. Not in there. Okay. Alright, hold on a second. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a screwdriver for the SPOs, so let's go ahead. Okay, so first we'll start off in the shop area for this SPO with the glass rod and the Genesis above it. So careful as you're pulling this down because the glass rod, if this thing basically bounces, it will break. I've had that happen. So nice and carefully. There we go. And flip it. Alan, go get it. Ooh, off sync there. We'll go ahead and silence that. And we'll head to the next device now. Alright, here's the one by the heater. And this is on the other side of the shop. By the doors, preferably. And we'll go ahead and open this up. Carefully, too. So, go ahead. There we go. So far we got local and of course battery trouble shop pole station, shop pole 2, those devices, yeah. Alright, we'll go to the pole station by the garage door. Alright, we're at the pole station by the garage door and notably, this strobe is loud. Yeah. Anyways, this one does not have a glass rod, so we'll go ahead and pull that. Resettable screwdriver in there. Anyways, then we have local pole station, of course batteries, garage pole station 2. Oh, I've yet to rename the pole station yet for that area. Shop, local pole station, battery, garage pole station 2, shop pole station 2, shop pole, well, I guess I must have reset. Oh yeah, there we go, shop pole station. Alright, we'll go ahead and reset the system. Let me grab my keys here for that purpose. Alright, we'll go ahead and reset. It's resetting there. I believe this makes system test 3 so far. I can't quite remember. Yeah. that. By the way, the time is wrong, so because this thing always gets unplugged every time. Anyways, that is it. And sorry for not uploading so often, but yeah. So here it is. System test 3, 4, 5. I'm not too sure, but I will give it to you in the title before the video here. But anyways, thanks for watching.